Hello children of class 2. Welcome to this week's class on computers. Last week I started with chapter number 4, Keyboard Special Keys. I had taught you that there are many keys on the keyboard and these keys are put into the following groups. Alphabet keys are used to type letters. Number keys are used to type numbers. Symbol keys are used to type so many symbols. Punctuation keys, which are a type of symbol key, which are used to give punctuation marks like comma, full stop and question mark. And special keys, keys which have special functions. Last week I had talked about two special keys, space bar and backspace. Today I will talk about some more special keys. What is this? It is the word boy. And what is this? This is again the word boy. So what is the difference? This word is in small letters. This word is in capital letters. Now, while typing on the computer, you can also, if you want, type in capitals. Last week, whatever typing I showed you, it was all in small letters. But if we want, we can also type in capitals on a computer. One way of doing it is with the use of the caps lock key. That is the word school and it has come in small letters. Now I am going to press this key, caps lock. And now again I am going to press type school, SCHOOL. This time it has come in capital letters. Now what if I want to type again in small letters? Again I will press caps lock, press the space, again I am going to type school. Now this has come in small letters. If you will look at your book on page number 34, you will see one diagram of the keyboard. Here I have my own laptop keyboard. My laptop keyboard is almost the same as the keyboard you have, whose picture you have on page 34, with one difference. There are no lights here, but the picture on page 34, over here there is a light called caps lock. Whenever this light is burning, whenever this light is on, you will get in letters in capital. Again when I press the caps lock key, the light will go off and you will get letters in small. Again I will press caps lock and the light will go on and you will get capital letters. Take a look at this video. The straight line you see, the vertical line you see in the typing area, that is called the cursor. Whatever you type appears where the cursor is, and the cursor keeps on moving as the typing goes on. You know that the backspace key is used to rub what you have typed. Here in this video, you can see some rubbing is taking place because the backspace key is being pressed, and rubbing takes place wherever the cursor is. The enter key is used to bring the cursor to the next line. there are two enter keys on your keyboard. Now let me type. Enter key is used to bring the cursor Did you see what happened? The cursor automatically went to the next line. I did not have to do anything to bring the cursor down. As soon as the cursor reached the right margin, it went to the next line. Once again I will show you the. Now I am going to type cursor. This is the right margin of this is the right side of your page. Now I am going to type cursor, S-O-R, and the entire word shifts down to the next line. Bring the cursor to the next line, full stop. Now I want to type, there are two enter keys. Now wait a minute. I want to type this in the next line. I will not type it here. I want to type it over here. Now the cursor will not go down. How do I make the cursor go down? It will not go down by itself. To make it go down, I have to press the enter key. Here is one enter key and here is the second enter key. So I can press any one. I am going to press this one. See where the cursor is. And now what happens when I press the enter key? The cursor has moved to the next line. Now I can type, there are two enter keys, full stop. Arrow keys are used to move the cursor on the screen. There are 4 arrow keys. So something is written on the screen. We will come to that later. See the position of the cursor. It is right at the end. Now here are the 4 cursor keys. This is the top arrow key. This is the down arrow key. This is the left arrow key and this is the right arrow key. Now I am going to press the top arrow key. As I press up arrow key, the cursor goes up. Now I am going to press the down arrow key. I press it and it goes down. Now I will press the left arrow key. As I press the left arrow key, the cursor moves to the left. And I think by now you understand what is the use of this key. The right arrow key. The right arrow key is used to move the cursor to the right. Now, I don't know whether you have noticed, but there is a mistake here. The spelling of the word student is wrong. There is an extra T here. We have to rub that with the help of backspace. Okay, we know backspace is used to rub. So shall we press backspace? But that won't be a very good idea, because if I press backspace, it is this word much which is getting erased, because erasing takes place where the cursor is. So before I press the backspace key, let me type the word again. I have to bring the cursor over here. And it is with the help of these arrow keys that I can do it. First I will press the up arrow key, cursor goes up. And now which arrow key will I press? Yes, you're right. Now I will press the left arrow key. And I will bring the cursor here, and then I will press the backspace key, and the extra T is rubbed. Now my work is not yet over, because if I start typing something now, it will appear over here. It will, that whatever I type will come here. I would not like that to happen, so I will bring the cursor down, and I will bring it here. Now suppose I want to start typing something in the next line. What will I do? Shall I press the down arrow key? But now it is not working. Why? Because the arrow keys will move the cursor only within what you have typed. Now if you want to move the cursor to the next line, you will have to press the enter key. And see, your cursor has moved down. Do you know which key is used to rub our mistakes? Yes, you know, it is the backspace key. But do you know that there is a second key for rubbing? It is the delete key or del key in short. Now you will say, if there are two delete keys, what is the difference between the two? Yes, there is a difference. Backspace key rubs to the left of the cursor. Delete key rubs to the right of the cursor. What is written here? I am a very bad boy. Now, this is your cursor. The backspace key will rub to the left of the cursor. This is the left of the cursor. This is the left side, this is the right side. If I press the backspace key, this word very will get rubbed. Watch, I am pressing the backspace key. And whatever is to the left is getting deleted. Now if I press the delete key, first let us find out where is the delete key. Here is a key called del. Yes, the short form is del. There are two delete keys. Another one is here. Now if I press the del key, the letters to the right of the cursor are deleted. And with that, I come to the end of this week's video. Today, Chapter 4, Keyboard Special Keys. Today, I talked about the following special keys: caps lock key, enter key, arrow keys, and delete key. Next week, we will have an online class. In that online class, I will discuss about this chapter, Chapter 4, Keyboard Special Keys. So, before the online class, watch these videos and do all the assignments, read the chapter and be ready for the class. So, till next week, till our online class, it's Tata.